Loco Nuts.
Now, who wants to help me get ready for our big garage sale?
I do.
Okay, Ruby, bring out all the chairs. Lily, bring out your old toys. And Charlie,
Yes, ma'am.
bring out the brooms.
So many things to do.
So many things to find. We're having a garage sale.
And we haven't got much time.
There's items here to sell.
Wow, look at all we've got.
But I've got little helpers, and oh, that means a lot.
We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told. And Mama says,
Well done! You're all as good as gold.
yeah. I like when she says that.
There's tables, chairs, and toys.
This spinning top makes noise. There's gadgets, games galore. Just step right up, there's more.
I could use a little help pricing all these things.
Okay.
Charlie, Ruby, Lily.
Oh, look, some water wings. Oh, cool. We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told.
And Mama says, Well done! You're all as good as gold.
We're all so good. Aren't we just?
Yes, you are.
Sometimes it's hard to part with something that you own. Yeah, you've had it all your life.
Oh, but now you all have grown.
We have? Not Charlie. Oh, look, we have some customers with money in their hands. Oh, I will take that toaster.
And how much for these pens?
I could sell my dolly since I'm growing up. And I could sell bananas. There's lots of them, yup. Hi, Charlie. We're Mama's little helpers. We help her with her stuff. We do it with a smile. We just can't help enough. And 'cause we're Mama's little helpers, we do what we are told. And Mama says,
Well done! You're all as good as gold.
yes, we are. Gold bananas. Hooray, hooray! We're at the park. Time to play. Wow, look at all that litter. Someone forgot to pick up all their trash.
Why don't you kids be good little helpers and pick up all the trash?
Okay, let's race. First one done gets an ice cream. Yay! We are cleaning up the park in our neighborhood, picking up the trash, making things look good.
Nice!
Charlie, must you eat bananas while you clean up? Well, I need to keep up my energy for all this hard work. Recycle all the plastics, fill up all the bins, rake up all the leaves so playtime can begin. Whee! Charlie! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I'm sure I'm gonna win. Watch me. The green bin is for plastics. The brown one's for food trash. Yellow's for bananas. Oh, you make me laugh. The yellow bin's for tins. And the blue one is for glass. That's a giant bin for such a little lass. Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I like to clean. I like to eat. Look, I ate bananas. Would you like some peel?
Just drop it in my belly.
Cool, okay, done deal. I just drank a fizzy. Where do I put the can?
In the yellow bin, dear.
Oh, that's right, yes, ma'am. Why, thank you. Whoa! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I know I'm gonna win this race, cause I'm cleaning up everything in sight.
Not that, Lily.
The park is looking tidy now, with all the trash and bins. And you can see the green and how playtime can begin. We are all so very proud. We worked real hard today. So we'll have an ice cream and play the day away.
Let's play clean up in the park
So we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I won! I won! Can I have some ice cream now?
Not yet, Lily.
But why not?
All right! Here we go. We're driving down the road on the way to Grandpa's. Let's name the objects that we see around us near and far. What's that you see?
Where?
In the sky.
An eagle. Awesome.
What's that you see?
Where?
On the road.
A fire truck.
Very cool.
What's that you see?
Where?
In the fields.
A scarecrow. Sweet.
Cool.
What's that you see?
Where?
In the water.
A boat. Let's go. We're driving down the road on the way to Grandpa's. Let's name the objects that we see around us near and far. What's that you see?
Where?
In the woods.
A deer.
Cool. What's that you see?
Where?
On the tree.
A monkey.
All right. Yeah. What's that you see?
Where?
In the pond.
A duck.
What's that you see?
Where?
On the hill.
A windmill.
We're driving down the road
On the way to Grandpa. Let's name the objects that we see around us near and far.
What's that you see?
Where?
Round the corner. Grandpa's house.
Whoa!
Yeah! We reached Grandpa's house.
All right.
Hey kids, here comes the fire truck. You're going to visit the fire station.
Oh boy, are we on fire?
No, Lily, but everyone put on your fire costume.
Oh
See you at the station.
The fire truck wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The fire truck wheels go round and round, all through the town. It's so shiny. pretend there really is a fire. Can you put on the siren for us? The fire truck siren goes woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. The fire truck siren goes woo, woo, woo. All through the town. Oh no! A real emergency! That poor kitty needs our help. Don't worry, we'll save you. We're coming. The fireman on the truck says,
Here we come, here we come, here we come.
the fireman on the truck says,
Here we come.
all through the town. Those are some fancy moves, Mr. Fireman. Hot stuff. Can we head to the fire station now? Wow, that looks like a giant banana. Charlie. Yeah, a big water-spraying banana. You are bananas. The fire truck hose goes splish, splish, splash. Splish, splish, splash. Splish, splish, splash. The fire truck hose goes splish, splish, splash. All through the town.
Well done, kids.
Yeah, I put out a fire with a giant spraying banana. Yay! The fire truck wipers go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The fire truck wipers go swish, swish, swish. All through the town. Look, it's the fire truck's house. Whoa! Can we slide down the fire pole like real firemen? Oh, Charlie.
Kids, I'd like you to meet my friend, the fire chief.
Cool, shiny red truck. We made up a song about it. Want to hear it?
Why, sure do.
Yes, we have no bananas.
The fire truck wheels go round and round.
Round and round, round and round. The fire truck wheels go round and round. All through the town. All through the town. I'm gonna slide down that pole. I'm right behind you.